I'm so sorry. Are you okay? Hey, wait. You don't mind if I drop you, do you?
No. There's no need for that. I'm in my house already.
Guy, I found her.
You found who?
The one.
You, Andy, found the one? Oh, come on, are you serious? You know, today has to be declared a public holiday because history is about to be made.
So funny. Hey, but look, guy. Have you ever just met someone, you know, and it's like you two are not meeting for the first time? You know, it's like there's just vibe, you know, there's this connection. You know how it is now, eh?
Oh, this is very serious. Wow, are you serious? So tell me, who is this lucky one? When am I meeting her?
Oh, well, soon enough, my friend. Soon enough.
I'm happy for you, man. Lover boy.
Thank you. I'm happy for myself.
Yes, I guess.
Yo,
Thought something, let me put you in the game.
you already put, see, the white ball is off the table now, I mean. It's a foul, man.
Baba, carry your hand, come out now.
It's a foul. Oh, where is it? Okay.
The love don't they shock your eye already.
Okay, let's go.
That's good. I am with it. Okay, let's something from here, man.
Oh, sorry, my love. Here.
Gary again.
Oh, Peggy.
Why can't you just eat something else? It's not even like there's granules in the Gary. There's no granule, there's no milk, nothing.
But there is sugar.
Sugar. It's just sugar. Milk.
But there's no money. You know how hard the country is now. We're trying to survive. My job is not really paying me so much, and you know that.
Why?
Why?
Why is everything like this for us? Only the both of us. Only the both of us were suffering like this. Just go to my school. Come to my school. During lunch, when they ring bell for lunch, plenty people will be bringing out plenty things. Some people bring out chocolate, some people bring out fried rice and chicken in school. Mommy, I'll be drinking pure water or something.
I don't like how you're talking. I mean, am I not trying? I mean, have I not been trying my best to make things better? You're not encouraging me with your words. I don't like it.
Sorry. All I'm waiting for is just to finish the secondary school. That's the only thing. Once I finish, I'll look for a job. A job that will pay me big money. And I'll buy a car for you. I'll even build a house for you. All these ones on the streets, they are nothing compared to what I'll buy for you.
Thank you, my child. Thank you for your understanding. I promise I'll keep working hard to make things better, okay? Right?
Okay.
Just go ahead and drink it. I promise you rice, okay? You eat rice.
Rice, when?
Sunday. You eat rice. I'll maybe fish or
chicken.
I'll try chicken.
Chicken,
please. Fried rice.
Fried rice.
Your favorite, yes.
Not white rice, fried rice.
A drink. Should I make it for you? Let me make it for you.
No.
What's this? Who kept this here? Peggy! You're late!
Mom, I'm coming. I just have to. I'm coming.
You are running late to school.
I'm already here. Mommy.
Who kept this?
I don't know. Who could have?
You don't know what?
I don't know who kept it. Maybe it's one of those your secret admirers.
Peggy.
Mom, I know most of them.
You don't know nothing.
I do. Okay, what about your colleague who is also our neighbor? That man that owns that supermarket. You remember what he said to you? Even my English teacher.
Oh, it's fine. It's okay.
Mom,
Let's go.
I'm just trying to tell you that I know them.
You know nothing. You don't know anybody.
What if it's one of them that brought this thing here? What if? Just think about it.
Just know that whoever kept this thing here would come pick it up. Let's go.
Mommy, see now. See
what?
See, big milk inside this. See, I can count how many times I've taken cereal in my whole life. So every day, oil rice, Gary with no sugar.
So what are you trying to say? I'm not trying my best? No, I am not trying my best as a mother. I've not been trying.
I don't see anything. No, it's just that.
Then what?
Go
Keep
there,
quiet.
Mom.
Let's go. I am late for work and you're late to school.
Somebody listen to you now, they'll think it's one office work like that. You don't know, it's that stupid work that... Sorry.
Go. Move!
Mommy.
My baby.
How are you?
I'm alright.
You're alright. Mommy, I was just wondering, this weekend, I'm not doing anything, you're not doing anything, you're off. So I'm just wondering if we can just go out, enjoy ourselves. There is this restaurant that my classmates were talking about. They said that it has a playground behind the restaurant. You've seen this restaurant. I've not seen it, but the way they were talking about it there, it was very nice. So I was thinking if we can go to the restaurant this week.
Want to go there with who? With who?
You now, you follow me, you escort me and go there. Yes, there's a playground.
So who would sort the bills?
Huh?
Where's the money?
I don't understand. This is month end now. They're supposed to pay your salary this month.
Well, for your information, I don't have any money this month, even in the next 5 months to come.
Ma?
What is ma?
5 months?
I don't have. There's no money.
I mean, how did that happen? Why?
How did you think I was able to make up the money to pay for your appendicitis operation? I collected 7 months upfront from my company just to be able to do that. And I'm really managing myself. That is why every time you are just telling me this, that, you want to kill me. Do you see anybody around me that gives me money? I work for my money and it's not easy in this country.
I didn't know.
Now you know. Let me know if you can relieve me a bit. What is this? Mommy this, mommy that, mommy give me this.
Mommy, you know what? I'm just going to do well. When I grow up, I'll buy you a car. I'll make sure I work very well. Buy you a house. I'll buy you anything that you want.
That is what you should be telling me. Consoling me. You know your mother have been suffering a lot. Only me, doing everything by myself. All the time. Mommy this, mommy that, mommy this, mommy that. With how much? Don't you know my job?
Sorry.
It is well.
Hey, Mommy, have you even noticed that bag, that gift bag, it has tripled?
It has tripled?
Yes, it's not plenty.
Monitoring spirit. I hope you did not touch it. I just hope you didn't touch it.
I didn't touch any bag. I didn't touch it.
Better not.
Okay, I touched it. But small. I did not even touch the bag. I just peeped with one eye. I didn't touch the bag at all. I didn't touch it.
You didn't touch it?
No, I didn't touch it.
But now you peeped.
No, just peeping like this. I did like this.
Okay.
Mom, if you see the things in that bag, I saw perfume. I saw cream. He bought you cream, oh. He bought you cream. Oh, this big perfume. I saw milk. I saw golden one. I saw slippers. Even bought you earring. Gold. Real gold. Like I touched real
How
gold.
do you know? Shut up. You're running your mouth like typewriter. How do you know real gold? Even me that she's your mother, I don't know real gold. You know real gold at your age. What is this? I thought you said you only peeped. How were you able to see all of these things? Peggy, you will not kill me in this house. You will not just kill me. Because it's not yet my time. I have suffered for you and I have to eat what I've suffered for. Mark, leave me, I want to rest.
No, but Mommy, all this you're
Shut up, I want to rest.
I'm just trying to...
Shut up, oh. I don't know what is wrong with you. I don't, you see, thank God that you're not a man. Because maybe by now, you would have carried gun and entered street. And they would not, what shoot? Your own is over.
I'm not doing anything.
Because the way your eyes is choking, you just like material things too much. As little as you are.
No material things, I want to enjoy.
I said I want to rest.
Mommy, no.
I'll go into the room.
I want
Go
to
and do your homework.
TV. I want to watch TV.
Go and do your homework.
I've done my homework. It's only remaining one, but I'll do it in the night. I want to watch TV.
Later you'll be scoring 2 over 10. Me? Yeah, yes. The last time did you do well?
I got 6.5 over 10.
You did not do well last time.
It's 5 over 10. It's 5.
I'm not ashamed of yourself. I want to rest or I don't want to hear him.
So only this quarters that they're giving you that is fine. Small.
Baby. Oh my goodness. Babe, what is it? Why are you crying? Babe, please talk to me. Baby.
14 years. Victor. 14 years, Victor. Victor, we need the child. We need the child in this house.
Babe. You know I've tried everything. Everything. But they didn't work.
Why isn't it working? Why isn't it working, Victor? Why? Victor, I need a child. Just one child, Victor. Victor, 14 years and I don't even a miscarriage. Victor, I want my own children. No, I want just a child, Victor.
You will have a child. You will.
Victor, I want a child.
You will conceive. Okay.
Victor.
Stop crying. You're breaking my heart. You will conceive.
Victor, will I ever conceive?
You will.
Victor, 14 years. What is left? Victor, I want to carry my children. Victor, even if it's one, even if it's one blind child, Victor, just one. I'm not asking for too much, just one, Victor. Just one, Victor, just one.
Stop, please. I beg of you.
It's one.
They don't have money. They don't have money to buy marker. All the marker is fake. You need to buy expensive, original.
So what are we paying all these
Hey.
school fees for?
Remember me?
Oh, hello. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, young lady. How are you?
Very fine, sir. Sir, do you know my beautiful mother?
Yes, I know how we actually met a while back.
Oh, okay. So is this your car?
Yes, it's my car.
It's your car?
Yes, it is.
Oh, that's nice. Beautiful arrangement. So how do
Will
you
you
know
shut up? Will you shut up? Why are you talking for me?
No, I'm greeting him. Oh.
Greeting him and asking whether he owns the car. I don't understand. Shh. What do you want?
I came to see you.
How can you be here to see me when you don't even know who I am? I don't understand. Please, I will slap. Don't you ever do that again. You're intruding in my privacy. Yeah.
Yes, car. I don't like this thing. I don't like what you did here.
What?
I don't like what happened here. A golden opportunity, you just turned it down.
What golden opportunity are you talking about?
The car.
Are you okay?
Today is a different day. God blessed us. God answered our prayers.
Which God?
God now. God answered our prayers. Do you know how many years I've been praying to enter a car? Now this fine car, and the man says it's fair, fine.
Shut up! You're disappointing me. I did not train you like this. So you're indirectly telling me that you can easily enter a stranger's car, someone you don't even know, just like that?
No, it's not what I'm saying.
Then what are you trying to say?
I don't enter people's car, but we are together. So if anything happens, we'll gang up and beat the man. We'll show him that we have a strong mother now.
Disappointed.
Oh, this car is fine.
Shut up! Shut.
Easy.
What?
What's
What's that?
this This your secret admirers. Look at. See?
Hey, don't touch. Don't touch it. I said don't touch it.
Mommy, this your secret admirer really loves you.
What is wrong with you? Why are you moved over material things?
Mom, it's just that this your secret admirer really loves you. Can you imagine? Look at.
I said, do not touch it.
Mommy,
I'm going to beat you.
I don't like the way you're doing. Just accept this with an open heart. And just accept.
You don't even know who kept it. Why are you so...
I know. The people that love you, they are the ones that kept it.
So?
See, see wig. If you put it on your head now and be going to work, they'll even think you're a rich man. They'll be paying you more money.
Now go inside.
No, mommy.
Move inside!
What? Wait. You mean she has a child?
Yep.
That changes everything, right?
Nah, it doesn't change anything.
Well, wait, what if she's always promiscuous girls on the street?
She is not promiscuous. Besides, I have seen her fingers and she does not wear a wedding ring. So I know what I am saying when I say she is not promiscuous. She might have a child, but she's not promiscuous.
So tell me, how do you know that?
Guy, me and you, we know women now. I mean, I have met women. And I have met different caliber of women. So trust me when I tell you that this one, she is different.
I took up. Love don't finish my guy. My guy is in love.
I have never been more clear-headed.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
But wait, you need to be sure if she's not married and know how she got that child. Because I don't want you to make any mistakes so you won't fall back to me.
Guy, I am not falling back to you. Like I said, I am doing this one with my clear eye. So when I tell you, say, I know they come back. I know
Lover
a good thing when I see it.
Well, that's good. They go to tell me what you want to drink. I have what you want.
Look, just bring some cognac or something. I mean, I'm in a mood for celebration. Huh? You don't see how now.
I know what you want. 1 minute. My guy.
Did you let us see the neighbor?
Yes, so I saw him, but apparently he's not the one.
I told you. In fact, I knew it. That one that is poorer than a church rat will buy wig, bag, slippers. No, it's not possible.
Your mouth is so bad.
I'm just saying, it's the truth. It's what eyes is seeing. Look at his house like one cockroach house.
Yeah, hello?
I am Andy. I got your number from your neighbor.
What do you want? Wait, have you been the one dropping those gifts in front of my house?
Please do not be angry with your neighbor. I was quite persuasive.
No, don't tell me that. Did I not tell you that I'm not interested? Why are you disturbing me?
About a date? You'd get to see
Listen, I
me.
don't want to have anything to do with you. I say it again and again. Please, stop dropping any gifts for me. Stop calling me as well. Please.
Beauty.
What nonsense is this? How can this guy give someone my number without telling me? This Emeka?
That one that is desperate. They might have given him one bottle of minerals and told him to keep himself busy, and then he will give it. That one is poorer than a church rat. But wait, sorry. This man that called now, he's the one that drops gifts at the door every day.
He's the fool.
And he's asking you to go on a date.
Yes, don't mind if he goes. I'm not going anywhere with him.
Why?
Why what?
Why are you not going anywhere with him? Go on a date with him now. When you get there, you collect money.
What is this nonsense?
I mean, he's rich. At least we leave this house.
Why are your eyes choking so much on money? Did I train you like this? Leave which house? Why are you talking about this house? What is wrong with this house?
I want to have a room of my own. So yeah, I will stay alone in my room. I have AC. There's no AC in that room.
Then you have to work for it. Yes, begin now to work for it. Yes.
For it.
Work for it, yes. And concentrate on your studies. In the future, you will have it. You will earn it.
It's just that he's a good person and he's doing well and he's rich.
What is this? See, I did not bring you up like this. With the way your eyes are choking like this on money, I swear with my life, if you bring unwanted pregnancy into this house for me, I'll kill you. In fact, I'll be checking you from today. What is this?
It's not like that.
That means any man that stops you on the road and say come, and the person has money, you follow the
It's
person.
not like that.
Then
It's not like I'll follow anybody
that's
carry money. That's why you're here now. And I want to have a room of my own. I want to.
So let me be the one to follow men for you.
Know him better. Give him a chance.
Try to keep this. Waiting be this. God, I beg.
It's just like I don't like the way you take on multiple jobs, cleaning that hotel like a slave that you're not. I don't like it. It's stressful. I don't like it.
Now, this topic is as good as ended. If I hear him again,
I don't like the way you come back.
Shut up! What do you know? What do you know about life? You're not even up to 14. You're just 13 plus, and you're just opening your mouth. Pia pia pia. Now I'm feeling it. What's wrong with you? What is this?
Because
Hey! Yeah, no, this is definitely Victor's. Victor's grandmother, not me.
I'm just trying to think about the family.
If I hear him there again.
I don't like what you did now. I don't like how you trash those things now. I don't like it.
Did I ask him for it?
It doesn't matter, it's wrong. And it's not like we don't need those things. We need them. We shouldn't have trashed them.
Peggy, I don't know whether you're my mother or I am your mother. I will tell you what I need.
Those things are expensive, especially the hair.
Hey.
Good morning, sir.
Why are you stalking me?
I am not stalking you.
Then why are you here?
Last night I observed you couldn't peg a face to the voice, so here I am.
Wait, last night. Wait, you've been the one dropping those gifts.
Yes.
Oh, you...
For what? Why are you sending me gifts?
Look, I just wanted you to
You just wanted what? Listen, I don't have time for this nonsense. I don't have your time. Stop it. Stop sending me gifts. I've trashed them. I don't need them. You want to pick it up, get to that junction, you will see a trash can there. I put it inside there. Don't you ever try this again. What is this? Oh yeah? Come on, will you get inside? Don't you
This is expensive.
Get out. Let's hurry, We're late. How can we get Okada now?
Hey.
What are you doing here?
Good morning, sir.
Please, let me drop you both off.
Yeah.
I don't understand. Is it that you're so jobless that you have nothing to do with your time? You are here just following us all about. I don't understand.
Look, please, I just want to drop you
You just
both
want to
off.
do what? Don't drop me. Don't drop us. What is it? Your attitude is very annoying. It's very disgusting. It's peppering me in my body. Shut up your mouth. What is this? Listen, I don't ever want to see you here. Don't come here. Otherwise, you won't like what I'll do to you. What rubbish is this?
These are just drop us now.
Mama, why?
Yes, they can.
Don't try it again. I mean every word of it. What is this?
Please, let me
Can you be
just
so
drop you both off. I mean, it's hot. You can't just be walking like this. Please.
Move. Are you enjoying the movie? This movie is quite interesting. What? Madam, I know you have something to say. So you're moping at me like goat head. What is it?
I don't think you...
I don't
No,
think
it's just that you were too harsh on him earlier. You were really harsh. I don't like it.
harsh on who?
That
Oh,
one.
no, don't even go there because I wasn't harsh as I would have really wanted to be. What was he talking to me? Why was he talking to me?
You have to stop this. You have to stop doing this.
Stop what?
Scaring men away.
What do you know about men?
It's been 14 years now.
Peggy.
14 good years. I want you to be happy. I want you to be...
This girl, you talk more than your age. I don't even understand it. You want me to be happy. Do I look like I'm not happy?
Well, with me, anybody that's with me must be happy. That one is for
And
sure.
what do you think you are? Oh, God.
Mom, I'm serious. I'm serious.
You don't even have a point.
I'm serious. Mom, he looks like a good person. Plus, he's rich. He's rich. Did you see that car? He has a car.
Why are you so materialistic? You're too small for that.
The money is important.
What money is important?
The money that they used to use and buy
The money that you
something.
do not have now. You have to. Now you want money so much. You love material things. You have to put eyes down, read well, and then become something in future. That is when you make the money, not now. Don't look at people's money. It's not yours.
We deserve better. We deserve
We
better
will
than
have
this.
better. We will have better later.
If you start now to make
No. I don't like what you're saying. I don't. Listen, you are too small. You don't even know anything about men, money.
No, I'm just saying. I don't like it. I don't like the way you walk every time you're walking. Yeah, I don't like it. Taking that job as a cleaner.
I must work to earn money. What are you saying? You don't like the way I work? Should I now be handicapped?
I don't like the way you take on multiple jobs. It's just I don't like it when you come back and you're tired, you're exhausted, you can't do anything. It's stressful. We deserve better. We deserve to, so that anytime you...
So, are you pushing me to do what? To what?
Give me a chance.
Shut up. You know nothing about relationship. You're still a small girl. And hey, shut up. You see this your mouth? I will sew it. I have needle here. I will sew this mouth. In 5 seconds, you have said 100 things.
See,
Who taught you all of this?
You can buy things with money.
You know what? Let's go and sleep.
I don't like doing that.
Uja, go. What is this? Something that I never thought of.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm very, very fine, sir. And you?
I'm very well. Where are you headed?
I'm going to my house. It's just, if you go small, you turn like this. Just as...
Oh, I see. Okay. That's my route. I'm headed that way. Let me drop you.
Sir, see, your car is very fine, but I cannot enter, I cannot enter somebody's car like that.
Come on, please. I insist. Look, I am totally harmless, okay? Come on.
Okay. Sir, I'll enter. But don't try anything, no. If you try anything, I look little, but I'm not little. I'm not little.
Yes, ma'am. Warning received.
Sir, do you have AC in your car?
Yes.
You have AC? Okay. I'm coming in now. You have AC.
Okay. Okay, here we are.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Sir, please call me Uncle Andy.
Oh, Uncle Andy, that's nice. My name is Peggy.
Okay, Peggy. Enjoy the rest of your day, okay?
Thank you, sir. I'll just go now.
All right.
Uncle Andy, I just want to say sorry on my mom's behalf. I know she has been rude to you and all that. But
No, it's okay.
no,
it's
it's
okay.
not fine at all. It's not okay. It's not okay. After the death of my father, my mom has not been herself. She's just been acting somehow. But apart from that, my mom is an awesome woman. In fact, she's the best mother in the world.
It's okay. Peggy, I have decided to respect your mother's wishes, okay? But anyways, you can always reach out to me for anything. So here, I'll give you my number.
Oh.
And then, let me make it extra special for you so that you can remember me, okay? Okay, so here we go. Do you like kites?
Yeah, I like kites.
Okay. How about a cane?
Okay.
Okay, so...
Oh.
Okay, so there you go. You see, you can turn it into
Oh my
a cane.
God, what did you do? How'd you do that? Oh, so nice. Maybe you teach me later.
Of course, you know I will.
Oh. Okay, so I have your number now. I'll call you.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
All right.
Bye.
Goodbye. tell you? Today, I was just trekking from the school. I was just walking home with my school bag. So Uncle Andy now came with his car. If you see his car, you know that his car now, that is fine car. He came with it and told me to enter. I disagreed at first, but I now entered. If you see the interior of his car, the design, the AC.
Shut up. You entered somebody's car. Haven't I warned you not to ever do that?
No, it's not like
a stranger.
It's not a stranger. It's just Uncle Andy now. I thought it was you and
Will you shut up?
Wait,
have you gone mad? Will you stand up when I'm talking to you? I've warned you times with that number. Not to ever enter someone's car. What is wrong with you?
It's not like...
If I'm talking, if I hear anything from... What is wrong? What's all this madness? What is all of these things? Today, this, you love this. Tomorrow, you love that. Let's see this, that. Have you totally gone insane? This is not how I've raised you up, but you've just turned into what I do not know. You want this, you want that, all by yourself. How old are you? Listen, this will be my last warning to you, young girl. If this event ever repeats itself again in this house, if I ever hear such again, I will discipline you well. Have you heard me?
I've heard you.
Bish. What nonsense is this?
Somebody cannot enjoy her life. This life that comes to suffer. I came to enjoy. If I enter somebody's car, problem. So I disagreed. I told you.
Can you wash the plates?
I've washed the plates.
Why are you back so early?
You should know that principal. That stupid woman doesn't know what to do with her life.
What happened?
She chased me, a whole me, Peggy, from the school because of school fees. Come on, 30,000.
Why would she do that now when she knows that we eventually pay your fees?
You always pay late, so I don't even blame her for her actions.
Mind you, stupid girl.
Hey, Mommy, let me use your phone. I'll borrow me your phone just for 2 minutes. I'll give you back.
I should give you my phone for what?
I want to call Uncle Andy.
I don't understand. This girl, have you gone insane? Did I tell you I have Andy's number?
Well, I have the number. That day that he brought me back from school, I collected his number. I did not collect his number. He gave me his number. Yes, he gave me his number. He told me that anything I need at all, I should call him on phone. So I need something. I need my school fees.
You know you are mad. And I'll cure your madness in this house. What sort of embarrassment is this? Are you a beggar?
I did not ask him for any number. He's the one that volunteered. He just gave me the number. I did not tell him to give me any number.
I want to call him and beg. If you try it, I'll kill you in this house.
He said anything I need.
Stupid thing. I think that you are mad. You are going crazy.
Mommy, this thing you're doing is no good. It's not good. You cannot pay the school fees yet. You will not let somebody help you. Now we have seen source. Mommy, think about it now. He said that I should call him anytime that I need anything. And now I need school fees. I've seen source that you don't even need to pay. You don't even need to pay a dime after taking it. You don't want to use it. You're refusing. You that is as poor as what I don't know.
Very stupid. You're very, very stupid. How do you talk to me like that? Is it because I've not beaten you for a long time? Don't worry, try it again. Just try it again. Rubbish.
What I need to you, I don't know
you. So are you giving up on her?
I wouldn't call it giving up on her. I'm just more like giving her space.
But that's just the same thing.
No, it's not the same. You know, this is me giving her space and time to, you know, want me.
So what if she doesn't?
Then I guess I would let her go.
I see.
Anyways, Guy, how's your wife? I mean, how are you guys?
Man, Mother's not sleeping. I wake up every night, middle of the night, to see her cry and stuff like that.
That's tough. That's tough. What did the doctor say is wrong with you guys?
That is the thing. The whole thing is just tiring because there's no problem. We've gone to a couple of doctors and none of them have confirmed that there's nothing wrong with us.
Have you guys tried IVF?
Yes, we have. It didn't work.
Okay. Adoption?
Don't go there.
Ah.
She said she doesn't want any stranger in the house. How can I be married for 14 years and nothing to show for it? How?
It's okay. I'm sure you guys will be fine.
It's not going to be fine because I'm worried. You need to see her cry every night.
You'll be fine. You guys will be fine. I mean, I know people who have waited longer and in the end, they got what they wanted. So,
14 years. 14 years, my guy, is not 14 days. Bro.
I know. It's okay. It's okay.
Well, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Beauty.
What did you just say? You have a child? Victor, you've been cheating on me?
Baby, you know I cannot do such a thing to you. I can't. This thing happened 14 years ago.
14 years?
Yes.
Victor, 14 years ago, we were planning our wedding.
Look, it was just a fling.
A fling?
It was nothing serious. I didn't know she was pregnant. Okay, even though I knew she was pregnant, but I told her to remove it, but she didn't remove it. I just made them today.
After everything that I've done for you.
I'm sorry.
After everything that we've been through.
Baby, I'm sorry. Please. Babe. I'm sorry.
So, young lady, you have decided not to speak to your mother for days now. And you're comfortable with that. I am talking to you.
Mommy, please. Please. Since you cannot afford my school fees, that means I cannot go to school to update my notes. Let me read this small one that I have.
I don't understand you. You're saying these like I've not been the one paying your fees. Or I have the money and I don't want to pay it.
That's not what I'm saying.
Then what are you saying? Have I not been trying?
I just want you to accept somebody that wants to help you.
Oh, no, shut up.
Accept Uncle Andy. He wants to help you.
I said shut up before I shut it up for you. How dare you? Are you the one to tell me who to accept into my life or who not to accept? I don't understand. Okay, this is why you're squeezing face for me. My own daughter telling me who to accept.
It's just that he's helping you. Mommy, I don't like this thing that you're doing.
He's
He's rich. He has money, he has car.
See, if this is the reason you don't want to talk to me, hold your mouth! Don't ever talk to me. In fact, it's in this house. Hunger go wire you. Hunger will come.
Big.
Oh, you're sighing on me. You're sighing on me. Come and read again. Come and read it. At the end of the day, you don't even come back to this house with reasonable results. Nonsense. Now go Cambridge. Come on. Nonsense.
I don't come back to this house with a reasonable. It's not you. If you send me to school, will I come back with a bad result? That's not what school that you put me. Don't let me face you.
Hey. Hello. Hey.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Why are you not in school?
Sir, I was chased out of school.
Why?
My mom, she couldn't afford the school fees, so my principal just chased me out of the school.
Oh, I'm sorry about that, okay? I'm sorry about that. Okay. All right. Have it.
Sir? No, sir, I cannot take the money from you.
Because you think I'm a stranger?
So you're a stranger. How can I just collect money from you like that without even knowing who you are?
All right.
So no, I don't.
Your father and I know from way back.
You know my father?
Yes, I do. And I know your mother, Beauty.
That's my mom's name. No, my mother never talks about my dad. No matter how much I try to make her talk about him.
Don't worry. We are going to talk about that some other time when we meet. But for now, you need to go back to school.
Okay, sir. But sir, can I ask you a question?
Go ahead.
You know, I never knew that my dad has a friend that has a car. Since he died, my mom has not told me that he has a friend. So why did you abandon us? Why did you just leave us? You did not even come to, look after me when I was born. Why? And we have been suffering since.
Oh, well, we will talk about that next time we meet. Okay, but for now, you need to go back to school. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
All right, can you have the money now?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much, sir.
Good.
Thank you so much. I
You're
appreciate
welcome.
the money.
You're welcome. You're welcome. So can I drop you off? Okay?
Oh, thank you, sir. For
Good,
sure.
good.
I'm going to drop.
Come.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Sir, your car is fine.
Really?
You even have AC. The car. So what is this thing?
It's big glass.
Glass.
Yes. Very beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. One more favor.
Yes.
Please, can you not tell your mother any of these? The money, the meetings? You know how she can.
Yeah, I know how my mother can be sometimes. But I'll find my way around it. I will.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sir, sorry. It's just that I just want to ask you for a favor, just a small favor.
Okay, tell me.
Your car is very fine. And
Thank you.
I just wanted to ask if you can be taking me to school every day and bringing me back.
I'll do that.
Oh, thank you so much, sir. So I'll wait for you here in the morning. Thank
So
you.
I'll come here and pick you up
Yes,
every morning.
yes, I'll wait for you.
Good.
Oh, thank you so much, sir. I really
welcome.
appreciate what you're doing for me.
You're welcome.
And thank you for the money. Thank you. Thank you.
I wanted you to do something for me. Why are you on school uniform?
Yes,
Where are you going?
it's my principal. She called me that I should come back to school. I don't know what
Come
happened.
back to school without paying your fees? She can't do that. I know that woman very well. She's very wicked. How could she have called you without you
Hey, Mummy, that's not important. It's not really important. We should just be happy that the wicked woman is now kind. We should just be happy now that she called me back. Why would you be? Mom, you like to overthink. You don't have money to pay. You cannot afford the school fees. Then you see that the woman has called me back. You just be happy. Be happy for me.
You don't even appreciate the ones I do. Eh?
It's not like Mom, you know what? I'm going to school. I have missed a lot of notes because I have not paid my school fees. So see you when I come back.
My child is very, very, very... Hell. I need to buckle up. If not, one day this girl will put me inside nylon and tie me. Don't worry. Go and come back.
Hello?
Uncle Victor, you came.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, sir. Yes. I didn't think you would come.
I'm here now.
Wow.
And guess what?
What?
I bought you chicken.
You bought me chicken?
Yes.
You bought me? If I tell you how I love chicken, eh?
Really?
Oh, I love chicken.
And your father loved it too.
Oh, my father loves chicken.
Yes. All right. Don't worry. Let's go before you get late to school.
Yes. Let me go to school. Let's go. You see, today, I'll eat chicken. Today? My classmates, I'll show them pepper.
So, darling, this is one of my game houses.
Wait, you own this place?
Yes, it's one of my game houses.
One of your game? Oh my God.
So that I came to pick one of those things. Please look around.
Of course, go on.
I'll come back.
I'm back. Hey. There's plenty AC here. Jesus. What is this thing? I can play.
All right. Please, let's hurry before your mom gets worried, okay?
Don't worry about my mom. You know, this your place is very fine.
Thank you.
Everything about this place is fine. It's just that all my life I've been dreaming to be in this kind of place. Somewhere that, you know, there is AC in this place. So I've been wanting to be in this kind of place, in a fancy house, a mansion, in a car that has AC. To carry me from school, pick me from my house to my, like, every single day.
Now you have it.
Yes, I have it and I'm very happy.
Good.
I'm happy.
So can we hurry and go?
You know, my classmates, they were surprised. Everybody, they were surprised because on a normal day, I'll just carry my bag and trek. But today you came with your jeep. You came with your, what's the name of that car? You came with your jeep and then you came.
Okay, so please, can we hurry and go?
Yes, but there's a question I want to ask.
Okay.
I wanted to ask you the question since you're my father's friend, you understand? What kind of a man was my father before he died?
He was a good man, really good man. You would have loved him, honestly.
I really don't know why my mom doesn't like to talk about him. She doesn't even have a single picture of him in the house. Like, I've never seen my father like this before. And I noticed that whenever my mom is talking about my dad, she has this atom of pain, anger in her heart, in her voice. I don't know why.
You know, beauty is a lot of things, a whole lot of things. I mean, she's your mother, okay? I cannot discredit her before you, okay? But I assure you that your father was a very good man. And trust me, he loved you so much.
I really wish I met him.
What if you can?
He's dead.
What if your mother lied to you that he's dead?
Well, he's dead, isn't it? He's dead.
So please, let's hurry up. I don't want her to get worried, okay?
Okay.
Good.
But next time, teach me how to play this.
I will teach you.
What's it?
Sweetheart, let's get going.
Okay. Okay.
Why are you back so late?
I had a lot of things to do. But Mom, tell me. Talk to me. Tell me about my dad. What kind of a man was he before he died? Like, how did he die? What was the incident? What really happened?
There's nothing to talk about your dad. He's gone. That one is past.
This is what you always say. I deserve to know about my dad.
There is nothing to know about him. Full stop. There's nothing. What do you want me to tell you about your father that was never a good man? So I should begin to tell you how he did or how he treated me before he died? There's no need for that. Forget it. He's gone.
Is my father really dead? Are you lying to me about my father's death?
What sort of question is that? Oh, you think I'm lying to you about your father that is dead? Don't worry, now let me take you to his grave. You want to see his grave? He's gone now. Oh, wait, you came back from school late, and I did not even tell you anything. You came back to question me, to ask me about a very, very wicked man that is already dead. Don't even try it. Your father is gone and forgotten.
You know what? I will find out about my dad. I will. And if I find out that you're lying to me about my dad.
What is that nonsense, Ibonyala? Oh, I'm the one that you're drawing your ear for. I don't understand. You're drawing your ear for me because of a very, very wicked man that never cared about you. You're drawing your ear for me. See, let me warn you. If you try that nonsense again, if you try rubbish for me, I will bring out my lioness side and I will kill you in this house. What nonsense is this now? Oh, you're talking to me like this. Because of who? Don't worry. Don't worry. Since you are not in this house. No problem, oh. No problem. To find out. Go and find out. Go ahead and find out about your dead father. See me see trouble, oh. It's not for you to ask me that is alive. How am I doing? You're coming to ask me about a dead man. How? God, I dare your hand. Watch him. Bish.
She's beautiful.
Who? What are you saying?
I followed you today when you went to pick her up from school. I see the way you look at her. She's your daughter. I mean, your only child. You know, at first I was mad. But on a second thought, I said to myself, why should I be mad when the one thing you so desire from me, I couldn't give it to you? Victor, you are a good man. You have been an amazing husband for this 14 years. Victor, the one thing you ask of, I haven't been able to give it to you.
Sweetheart, look, it is not your fault. I keep saying it. All the doctors confirmed that we are okay. So it's not your fault.
Yet, you have a child with another woman. You know, all this while, Victor, it has never occurred to me that I had a problem. The moment I set my eyes on that child, I realized that I was the problem. All the IVFs failed. Victor, I am not, and I will never separate you from your child. Victor, I am only asking that you don't leave me.
No. Please. Don't say that. Don't. I will never do such a thing. I love you. Okay, and I will never leave you. Okay? Okay?
I love you too. I love you too.
Beauty, what are you doing here?
Why isn't the gate man letting me in? Why are you sounding like this?
What are you doing here, Beauty?
Well, I came to tell you that I'm pregnant.
You're what?
Pregnant?
No, you have to remove it.
You're not serious, right? This is our child. We made it out of love. We love each other, right? You promised we would get married, so why are you talking this way? Why are you telling me to remove it? Let's just get married.
I am getting married today.
What? I don't understand. How? How am I not aware of my own wedding?
Because I'm not getting married to you.
My God.
Please leave.
Oh my God.
I have to get ready.
Victor, what are you trying to say? What are you saying?
Please get rid of that thing in your womb. If it is money you want, I could give it to you. Just I don't want to ever see you again. I have a wedding to prepare for. Musa!
Victor!
Get this lady out of this place.
Victor, you can't do this to me. You can't. Victor! Oh my God. Oh my God.
Hey, Beauty.
My God. Victor!
It's been ages. How are you?
What are you doing here?
I had no idea you're still in Enugu.
I'm asking you a question and you're telling me who brought you to my house?
Well, I came to talk to you.
You have not still answered my question. Who told you I live here? What are you doing here? Now get out.
Beauty.
Get out of my house. Now.
Well, I have met my daughter.
What? Victor, you said what?
I've met my
daughter. Stupid. You are mad. You have totally gone insane. Who is your daughter? That she is not your daughter. Do you understand that?
But she's my daughter.
She's not! And she will never be.
What's going on here?
Hey, baby. Come here.
Uncle Victor!
Yeah.
Why didn't you come at our usual spots?
Shut up! What stupid usual spot? And how did you get to know this man?
Actually, he's my father's friend.
Oh my God! So you have been meeting my daughter behind me! You this useless man!
Yeah, he told me that he's my dad's friend. He even called your name. That's how I confirmed.
When you would be sensible, you would be. Did I tell you? Did I introduce you to this man? Why would you be discussing with someone behind me? Why are you communicating with my daughter?
Sweetheart, actually, I lied to you.
Who is your sweetheart? Who is your sweetheart? Who is your sweetheart? Get inside. I don't ever want to see you speak to this man again.
Your father is not dead.
What?
I'm your father.
Get out. He is not your father. This man is a lunatic. He's a madman. Get out. Get out! You get out of this place, idiot.
You lied to me.
How do you mean I lied to you?
I asked you countless times. I asked you, who is my father? And then you didn't say a word. And when you said it, you lied to me. You didn't even want to show me a picture or something. Mom. And now today, I realized that my father is alive. You didn't even tell me. You didn't even show me a picture. You didn't let me know.
What nonsense are you talking about? Whose father? A total stranger who you don't even know. He's not your father. Your father is dead. Yes.
I don't believe you, Mom. I don't believe you.
Oh, you don't believe me?
No.
You don't believe me. You don't want to believe your mother, but you would believe someone you don't even know. I'm so disappointed in you. Go ahead! Believe him all you can. Believe him. Now what are you even sitting there? Get inside the house! Get inside!
Peggy, please. Please.
Leave me alone.
Please, listen to
Leave
me.
me.
Please, I beg you, listen to me. Please. Just hear me out. I beg you. Okay? Please. Can you please come in? Okay? Please. Please. Thank you. Thank you, my daughter. Thank you so very much. Okay, I'm grateful. Thank you. All right, please take a look at this. This was I and your mother on our first date.
But she said you are a stranger.
Does that look like I'm a stranger in this picture?
But still, why did you abandon us? Why did you just leave us? You just disappeared.
Sweetheart, I didn't abandon you and your mother.
You did.
I can never do that.
You did.
Maybe if you listen to me, my own side of the story, you will know that I didn't abandon you too. Okay? I loved your mother so much. So very much that we were even planning to get married. Until that unfortunate incident happened.
What unfortunate incident are you talking about?
I was involved in a car accident.
Oh my God.
I lost my memory. I was frustrated, I was in pain. So to ease my pain, my parents relocated me to another state. I never knew your mother was pregnant. So she thought I had abandoned you too, not knowing that I couldn't even remember anything, let alone myself.
What?
So my parents introduced me to another woman that I got married to. When I regained my memory, I searched for your mother. I searched for her everywhere. So finally, I met her. But she didn't let me come close to her. I obliged. Because I could understand her pain. That was why I didn't reach out to you. But I couldn't hold it anymore because I wanted to know my daughter and let my daughter know me. I came back to her again. So please, let me be a part of your life. She disagreed. But because I was bent to knowing you, I had to meet you instead.
So you're saying you begged my mom, but she didn't let you be a part of my life?
Yes.
Yes, she lied to me. She lied to me that you were dead.
Please don't blame her. Okay, she was hurt.
No. What about me? What about you who had to go through all these things you just mentioned? You know what? She's just so selfish. Yes, she is. I can't believe I believed her when she said that you were dead.
My daughter, I am not dead. I am very much alive.
Thank you so much, Dad. Thank you for trying everything possible to be a part of my life.
I will always be a part of your life. I'm not going anywhere again, okay? I love you. Come here. So tell me, what do you want me to get for you today?
What did you get?
Tell me anything. Are you shy?
I am talking to you. Can you stop there? How dare you walk out on me when I'm talking to you? Peggy.
What do you want from me?
Are you talking to me like that? You dare talk to me like that? Do you want me to do what? To do what exactly? To hit me? Come on, hit me.
Hit me after lying to me. You didn't let me see my father countless times. I came in here and I asked you. You lied to me. You didn't even let me see him. Maybe his picture or anything. You know, I've heard everything. Yes, I heard everything. He came to you. He begged you. He asked you that you let him come into my life, but you refused. You refused. You keep lying to me all my life. For 14 years, you kept on lying to me about my father for 14 good years. You expect me not to walk out on you?
This is not happening. This is not happening. My daughter. Peggy. Peggy. You dare choose a total stranger over me?
Don't call him a total stranger. He's my father. He's not a total stranger. Maybe to you, but not to me.
Hey! No.
Victor. Well, it's a good thing you're here. I wanted us to talk.
Yeah, the exact reason that I'm here. Let's talk.
What were you whispering into my daughter's ears?
Our daughter.
My daughter, not yours. She's not your daughter. You rejected her. You wanted her to be aborted, right?
Look, I am sorry.
You don't need to be sorry about anything. You are not sorry. You're just a demon.
Look, I really wish things were different. Okay? I'm sorry I left you both several years ago, but I'm back. I want to be a part of my daughter's life.
Unfortunately, you would never be part of her life because you never wanted her alive. I came to you, I told you the situation. I was pregnant with your child. What did you do? You asked me to abort it. You didn't want it. Now you're back. To do what? To claim what you never wanted. Oh no, of course not. It will never happen. Do you understand that?
But Beauty, she's my daughter.
She is not your daughter. The more you say this, the more you make me more mad. What's wrong with you? Please, stay away from us. Stay away from my child and I. She's not your child.
I beg you, please, let me be a part of your life and my daughter's life as well.
You know, if only you came to me, maybe, just maybe I would have obliged you to see my child. But no, because you're never a good man. You went behind to manipulate my child into believing you and not me, the mother. No, it would never work for you. Listen, Victor, or whatever your name is called, whatever we had was in the past and is long forgotten. Leave me alone, leave my child alone, leave us alone.
She is my daughter.
Not anymore. I want you to believe it. I want you to have it in your head. I want you to, the way you wanted her to be aborted, just accept it that she has been aborted. You never took care of her. You never took care of me. So get out of our lives. Do you understand that? Out. Get out. You know me, Victor, if I get angry, if I lay my hands on my cutlass, your neck is off.
No
Get
need
out.
for that.
Out. Evil personified human being. Where's that daughter of mine?
So, he's coming. You can sit down, you can sit down. Sit. Yeah, he's surprised. I know, it doesn't look too good. This is just where we're managing for now. My mom, I don't know what she's doing. Every day she'll go out. She's going out to work, but nothing to show for it. Just, I know you feel uncomfortable because normally you're a big man, but manage, please. Please, I beg you.
My God. Do you know that I reached out to her countless number of times?
You did?
To help.
And she refused?
She refused.
She refused money. Car. That's AC. House.
But don't worry. Now that we know each other, okay? I am going to take care of you and give you the life that you deserve.
Thank you so
All right?
much. Thank you.
Good. I can't have my daughter stay in this kind of place.
And it's one room and parlor. It's not even like she bought it. It's staff quarters. Staff quarters. So the moment she loses this job, that's finished.
Don't worry, I'm going to get you guys a befitting apartment.
Apartment?
Sure, I will.
You will?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
And if you do well in your exam, I will buy you an iPhone.
iPhone! iPhone!
I will.
That one in my class. iPhone!
buy you
Hey! Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Do you know that my classmates, if they come, they'll be talking about the iPhone that their grandfather bought for them.
I'll buy the latest
I'll be
one.
looking at the...
Hello, beauty.
Welcome.
What are you doing here?
No, I invited him.
Shut up! What are you doing here?
I came to see my daughter.
In my house? Without letting me know? Did I invite you? Now get out. Now get out.
Beauty. No, don't worry. I'll see you later.
You would never see my daughter again. Get out! Get out of my house. Don't you ever come back here again. Get out. And you? Where do you think you're going? Are you mad? Where are you going?
I want to see him off at least to his car now.
You want me to kill with my bare hands?
Please.
Do you want me to murder you with my bare hands? Is that what you want? You want to go and see who? What right do you even have to invite somebody into my house without telling me?
My father. He's my father, and he even promised to buy us a new apartment, not this staff quarters.
Are you mad? Wait, what did you just say? What is this? What is this rubbish? Listen, if I ever see this man close to you or you close to him, I will kill you with my bare hands. Do you understand?
I hate you.
You hate me?
Yes, I hate you.
Oh, he has given you and you have eaten. Why won't you hate me? You hate me because of a useless man you met a few days ago.
He's not useless, he's my father.
He's your father?
Yes, he's not useless.
You're opening your mouth. Oh, wait. It's your father. Father, where are you? What is it, Victor? What do you really want me to? I mean, how do you want me to explain it to you that you need to leave us alone? How else?
Beauty, I am here to make up for the lost years. Can't you see it?
Lost years? Well, those years are gone. Forgotten. So what?
All right. Here. This is a check for 10 million naira. I know it can't make up for the damages, but it could help, solve some certain things for you, a whole lot of things for you.
What do you take me for? A cheap woman? I might not have money, but I'm not cheap. Don't try this nonsense with me. You're giving me 10 million naira so I can forget all the terrible things you did to us. I don't understand. Do you know what I went through? Do you know what I suffered because of your wickedness? My parents sent me out of the house. I was disowned. I walked around the street. I literally slept anywhere. I was doing everything just to survive. And you are here. Beautiful. After so many years. To tell me what? To give me money. Beautiful. Oh, shut up. I'm not done. Shut up. Don't make me remember things you did to me, or don't let me remember all the things I've forgotten. Do you know how I suffered? I did all the menial jobs. I was pregnant with my child. I was suffering because of you. I don't know why you're this mean. Even when I was close to 9 months, I was still working for people because I didn't have anyone to take care of me. I was suffering. Eventually, God's grace, I had my baby. But the suffering never stopped. I continued to suffer because I needed to take care of my child. I needed to cater for her. Where were you? You were nowhere to be seen. And I was doing all of those things. And now, you surfaced after so many years to give me this useless thing you call money so that I can forget everything that you made me go through.
Beauty, look, I am sorry. Okay, I am ready to do anything to show you how sorry I am. Please, give me the opportunity.
Wait on, hold on. Victor, let me ask you one important question.
Okay.
If I had aborted our child, just the way you wanted, would you be here? Answer the question, would you be here?
But you didn't.
Oh, I didn't, and that's why you're here. See, you're very, very mean. Honestly, I don't want to get emotional because I have already suffered because of you. I didn't want to tell my child everything you made me go through in life. You made me suffer, Victor. And my God will keep judging you. I swear with my life, my God will continue to judge you. Look at you. Why are you not here begging? Why are you here begging? Now, you need to know something. I'm a good person. That was why I didn't tell my child everything you did. Because if I had told her, she would have gathered this hatred for you in her heart. And probably for other men. But I didn't want that to happen. And I also do not want my child to ever know that she once had a father like you who never wanted her.
But I made a mistake. I am sorry.
Well, I don't want to see you anywhere around my child again. I don't want to see you loitering around her, telling her lies. Don't you ever do that again. Because if you try it one more time, I swear I would call her and sit her down. I will narrate everything. I will. And you know exactly what that means. Take your miserable 10 million and get out. Never come back.
Beauty.
Wow. Jesus. Is this your house that you're living in?
Yes.
Hey. Fine house. What is this thing? I've not seen this thing in my life. Hey. What is this thing? Can I touch it?
Please touch.
It's shine. Oh, sorry, I'll break it. Sorry. Wow, this house is very fine.
Thank you.
Hey.
Thank you.
God, is that clock? Why did you put that kind of clock in your house? It's scary.
Really?
But it's fine. It's fine for it's fine. It's design.
Thank you.
Yes, it's very fine. How much did you buy the thing? How much did you buy? You tell me later.
I'll tell you later.
I'll tell you later. See this place. Jesus. This
Hello, guys.
Hi, darling.
Hi, good afternoon, ma.
I didn't know you were around.
Afternoon, darling. Yeah, I rushed back to come pick stuff I forgot.
Oh, okay.
Your daughter?
Yes, my daughter.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Peggy, my wife, Modella.
Oh, your wife, ma. Good afternoon, ma.
Afternoon, my
You're
wife.
looking very fine. I like your earring.
Thank
It looks expensive. Good
you.
afternoon.
Thank you. She's really beautiful.
Thank you.
Yes. She has
Can
a
I
small-
shake you? Can I just shake you small?
You can. She's just a sweet soul.
Yes, that's why she's my daughter.
Thank you.
You know it would be nice to have you around, yeah?
Yes, it would be nice to have me.
Exactly the same thing I was
Yes.
telling her.
Wow.
And our door is always open.
Oh, this is your fine door. Thank you so much, ma. Thank you.
Oh my
Thank you.
God.
Thank you so much.
So I'm expecting to see you soon, yeah?
Yes.
All right, baby. Let me leave you guys now.
All right,
Okay.
thank
Okay.
you. Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you. Take care.
Yeah. Sweetie. Bye.
Bye.
You know, I'm happy that you're excited. I'm happy.
Why won't I be excited? As if I go to that house, that staff quarters house, I'll be excited.
This is your home now.
It's my home,
Yes.
so I can come here anytime.
Anytime you want.
Thank God I
In
copied
fact,
the road.
your room is upstairs.
My room is upstairs.
Well furnished for you.
I have room.
Yes.
Does the room have AC?
Big AC.
It has AC.
This kind of television in there.
Inside my room.
For you.
For me. No. If my classmates are talking, my classmates say, my daddy buy me motor. My daddy buy me car.
And I'll buy you an iPhone to snap your TV and show your
I show my
classmates.
class.
iPhone.
It's just that in my school, I don't know what they don't used to let us bring phone. They say that it's poor man's school. That
I'll change your school.
all the people there are supposed to be poor man.
Don't worry, I'll change your school to rich man's school.
You change my school.
Yes.
See my daddy. What is this thing that you put here now? Rich people, eh? Look at. Is that thing real good? Wait, sorry. Let me check. Yeah.
Climb,
Let me check.
climb.
I should climb.
Climb.
I'm climbing. Hey!
Don't fall, please. Don't fall.
I'm up.
Let me carry it to your room. Let me carry it to your room.
No. Is it? What? What's this thing? It's soft.
You like it?
Eh.
All right, come. Let me give you a tour of the house.
No. See this parlor? I will tour it. I will finish the touring of the parlor. Hey, God.
Oh my
So,
God.
What is this thing now that you put here now? this thing that's under this glass, because our own glass has only green something. That stick that is standing it. Jesus, this is real glass.
It is.
This is real glass.
It is.
That one we have in our dining table is fake glass and it's company glass.
Yeah.
Staff quarters.
Don't
Let
worry.
me see your dining. Fine dining. Jesus.
Oh my
your
God.
own dining is glass.
And this
plus
is
another
this,
thing.
this should be your seat.
Well, where is your seat?
This is my seat.
Trying is your own seat there. I really had fun at your house today.
I already told you. It's your house too. Okay?
Okay.
Good. You know, when my wife and I said that we would love to have you over, we really meant it.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
Good. One more thing.
What's that?
You know, it's no secret that your mom does not quite like me.
Yes.
Yeah, and I don't blame her. She has every right to hate me. But I have these feelings that she may try to make you hate me as well. Just like she told you that I was dead, she may want to try to, cook up some other lies to make you hate me. Please don't hate her. She's just trying to be a good mother. But my concern is this. Please, no matter what she will tell you. Please, don't hate me.
I promise I won't. No matter what, I will not hate you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so I have to go now.
So I got you this.
What is that? Let me see. An iPhone!
Yes.
Oh, thank you! Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You know you did well in school. As I promised, here.
Thank you. Now I have an iPhone.
Yes, you have.
If my classmates are talking, I'll tell them, no, I have an iPhone
Yes.
now. Thank you.
You're welcome.
But the problem is, I can't take it inside.
Because of your mother, yeah?
Yes.
Don't worry. I'll keep it for you. When next you come visiting, I'll give you can use it anyhow you want.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Thank
You're
you so
welcome.
much.
Now that it's holiday, don't you think it is right for you to come at least spend 1 week with us?
Of course, of course. You have AC in your house. You have everything I like. Why not? I'll come.
Good. So let's get going. You let your mother know so that I'll come pick you up.
Okay.
Good.
See you.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Be a young lady. Come back here. Where are you coming from?
I followed him home.
You followed who home?
My dad, of course.
Dad, why one day? You're very, very stupid. You then look me in the face and call a total stranger your dad? Come here! Come closer. Now look me in the face. Let me tell you something that you need to know about this your so-called dad. He was my man. I was dating him so many years ago and he got me pregnant. I went to him and told him that I was pregnant with you. Then he looked me in the face and said that he doesn't want you. That I should get rid of you. He wanted you aborted. If I had done that, no, tell me, would you be here today? That man never cared for you. He never cared for me. He abandoned us. I suffered. I carried you in this womb of mine for 9 months. I gave birth to you. He never brought even a tin of milk. He never cared. And now he surfaced from God knows where, and you, I thought you were sensible. You are stupidly lauding my dad up. I will kill you in this house. Are you mad?
I thought you said he died.
Huh?
Yes. You said he died at first. From he died to he's a stranger, you don't know who he is. Now you're now telling me the story of your life. You're now making up stories.
Oh,
Because which one am I to believe?
Peggy, you say I am making up stories.
But you told me 3 different stories of this same man.
So why was he not here? Why have I been the one catching for you? If he really loved you, why did he abandon you? Why did he? Let me tell you, very good. It's good a thing you unbeat them. I don't ever want to see you out of this house without telling me. Yes! If I see you with that man again, you're dead.
But I want to be with my dad for 7 days. I want to go on a holiday in his
What did you say?
I want to go on a holiday in his house.
You want to do what?
I want to go to his house now and stay there.
You want to go and do what? You want to go and do what? What to go? What did you say? Get up. Get up. Get up from there. So this is your plan. You and your father. You want to kill me? Uja, inside.
I want to visit myself.
What again?
I came to pick my daughter.
I don't understand.
We agreed she would spend 1 week with me.
Are you that desperate? So you're really desperate to have a baby like this? And then you ask me to abort her while I was pregnant with her? You're very, very stupid. In fact, you're a useless man. See, I don't want to see. Get out of this place. Get out.
Beauty, do not make this harder than it is already.
Who are you to even make decisions about my own daughter? I carried her in my womb for 9 months. I cared for her. You were not there. And you're here to tell me you want to take my child to where? Where? How?
Beauty, do not make this harder than it is already. Okay? I'm going to spend only 1 week with my daughter, and afterwards, I bring her back to you.
You have really gone mad. Get out. Get out of this place.
This decision was hers, not mine.
Whose decision? My daughter can never decide such. Where are you going with the bag?
I am going with my daddy.
You are just tall, but you don't have sense. You're just long like this. You don't have sense.
Beauty, please.
It's just for 7 days, just for 1. It's not like I'm running away.
Will you shut up? You're just long like this. You don't have common sense.
Beauty, are you trying to...
Did I discuss anything with you? Oga, get out.
Please don't separate my daughter from me.
What is all this madness? What? Oh, you've come to reap where you never sowed, and you don't have. You're just long like this. You don't have common sense.
Just for 7 days, 1 week out. It's not like I'm running away.
Go inside the house. Now listen to me. If you go with this man, you have chosen him over me, and that's final.
I've told you, it's just for 1 week. It's not
If
like
you go with this man, you cease to be my child. Choose.
No, what? See you later. 7 days, I'll be back. Take care. Let's go.
Peggy! Is this happening?
Thank you, sir.
Oh, God. Oh, Jesus. Hey, this is the AC room.
Yeah.
It's cold, though.
So, this is your room.
Wow.
Good.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. If you don't like anything here, tell me, I will change.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay?
Yes.
Please feel relaxed.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
You own this place.
Oh, I own this place.
Yes.
Thank you so much, sir.
Good.
Thank you.
Wow. So now, settle in. Yes. Come downstairs for dinner.
Oh, okay, dinner.
Yes.
Okay, sir. I'll be downstairs.
Good. We are waiting for you.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I have my own room. That's Peggy. Peggy. This is easy. This is easy. Hey! I said it. That there's nothing money cannot buy. See AC, see room, see bedsheet, see the color of this bedsheet. It's even real material. That one that was in the house. Let me settle it. Let me off this AC.
You know, immediately my husband told me that you were coming around, I had to leave everything I was doing to come make this meal.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah. And I hope you like it.
I love it. Especially the chicken. I love it so much.
I see.
God, this chicken, before we eat in our house, my mommy can never buy chicken for us. That's their stingy company. That's the only time we eat chicken. And when they are doing end of the year party or any small party they mistakenly just do. That's one we eat. And it's not even chicken, it's fowl. Fowl. So I don't know. I never get to eat chicken like this. This one now, I love it. Nice. Can you imagine? I'm now a rich kid. Rich kid. I'm not eating with fork and knife. Like cutlery.
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 That's what it's called.
Oh my god. In my house, you can barely see fork. Is it that you eat with spoon on your hand? It's your choice.
Nice.
So, I don't... Oh god. You know, sometimes it's not good to wash your dirty linens outside. If I wash my own hair, if my linen is
It's okay.
I should not wash it.
No, don't wash it. No, not yet. Let's eat.
Let's eat. After eating and wash.
Table manners, yes. yes. Let's do the table thing. Eat.
Table.
Yeah. Don't worry, eat.
Okay. You know, I wish my mom was here. You know, to enjoy this thing with us, enjoy the chicken, the fried rice, and everything.
You see, your mother can also come here if she wants.
But I don't know why my mom doesn't like you.
Look, let's talk about your mother some other time. But for now, please, can we eat? Enjoy your meal, all right?
I'm enjoying it.
Good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
But later you call my mom.
Sure, I will.
Call my mom.
I will.
So you can cook.
Thank you.
My own, you know, it's been a long time I enjoy my mom's food because the only thing we eat is gari. We drink gari.
Okay.
So mom doesn't even cook.
Peggy, can we please eat?
Yes. Can we eat?
You're eating. Just gisting.
I mean, yes, eat. Table manners. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Hey, darling.
I like her.
Yeah, she's lovely.
I just wish. She's ours.
Yeah, but she's ours now, okay? And I'm going to do everything humanly possible to make it happen. So don't worry. Come here. You know I love you, right? And I'm going to do anything for you, just to make you happy. Okay? Now give me that smile. That's more like it. So relax.
No! Victor cannot frustrate me. No! Auntie, good morning, ma.
Peggy.
Ma?
What are you doing?
I'm just cleaning the place. I just woke up. I'm excited. I'm just cleaning the place.
Oh no, Peggy, that's not the reason you're here. The cleaners come here to do this during the weekend.
No, ma, it's just cleaning. It's not like there's a problem.
No. That is not the reason you're here. I mean, you're here to rest, eat, and relax.
Okay, ma. But you know, I'm not used to being idle. If I'm idle now, I'll start thinking about my mom. I'll start missing her. And I've never been away from her before, so it will be very hard.
I understand, baby. I do. Let's put this away. Okay. And that's why you have a phone. You could go online and, get yourself busy there.
Yes, but to be honest with you, I don't know how to use that phone. Like, it's complicated. This is my first. I've never used it before. So some things that they need to operate, I don't just know. It's hard.
It's okay. I'll tell you what.
What?
How about we go shopping?
Shopping.
Shopping, yes. Yes, in that way you have to pick every nice things that you want.
Anything.
Anything. And I promise you, you will enjoy it.
Okay, ma. Okay, that's a good idea. But I thought you were going to work before you saw me. So how will you do your work?
Well, let's say that's the pranks of being the boss. I don't have to be there, so go in, get ready, and let's...
Thank you so much. Ma, you have car. You have AC in the car. I'll enter your car.
Yes.
I'm going to go and dress up.
Yes,
Hey!
Oh my God. Oh, I had fun today. How about you?
So, Auntie Modela, I had so much fun. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Oh no, you don't have to thank me. And you know what?
What?
You're just like a daughter to me. No, you are my daughter. Everything that I do for you, I would have done for my child if I had one.
Don't worry. Very soon, God will bless you with your own child, okay?
Amen.
Amen.
Thank you, baby girl.
So, today was fun. Auntie Modela.
I wish you were my child.
Oh, thank you.
Well, you're good, yeah?
Yes, I'm good. Just that I overfed. No, I'm good. Oh, I'm good. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh my God. Jeez.
Hey babe, how are you?
Oh, I'm very well, and how are you?
I'm good.
Man, I had so much fun.
Yeah, I see you are so excited.
Yep, I am. I had so much fun.
I can see that.
Yeah, and Peggy did too.
That's nice.
Babe. I don't want her to go tomorrow.
That is the exact thing on my mind.
So why not do so?
But you know it's not possible.
Why is that?
Look, Beauty raised that girl. Okay? I don't have that right over her.
Who said so? You are her father. That alone gives you rights to her.
What are you saying?
Babe, I am saying that Beauty is one wretched woman. She has no money, no influence, nothing. We, on the other hand, has everything that she doesn't. So if we decide to pick up a case against her, we will definitely win.
No. Oh, please. God. I do not want us to go that route. Please. What if somehow she wins? I will lose my child forever. I don't want that.
Win. Who will win? Beauty.
You don't know that. You don't know that.
Oh, please. We will bribe every single person on our list.
I think I have a better idea. A child at about Peggy's age, somehow, she was knocked down yesterday by a trailer. She was crushed beyond recognition. That child will be our lucky ticket. Yes.
Are you saying?
Yes. The way she is, Beauty will never, ever recognize her. Except she wants to go for an autopsy, which I know she does not have the funds to do that.
Are you thinking in my direction right now?
Exactly. You know, the moment that girl came into this house, I told myself, Victor, You will never lose this girl again. Here's what we're gonna do. That iPhone, we are gonna take it away from her so she will not have any access to anybody.
Okay.
How do you say it?
Sounds good.
Great. So, case closed.
I don't believe you were this smart, actually.
Don't worry. I'm a master planner. Everything's going to be fine. Just get ready.
Hey, baby.
Auntie Modella.
How are you?
I'm very fine now.
How was your night?
My night was fine. It was good.
I can see. You're already packing your bags.
Yes, and I'm excited. I'm going to see my mom. I'm so happy to see her again after a long time.
You know, when you say that, it feels like you can't wait to run away from us.
No, that's not what I mean.
I know. I'm just pulling your legs.
Okay. I thought that's what you meant.
You need help?
No, I'm fine. I'm almost done. Just remaining 3. I'm done. I'm done already.
I see.
Let me pack this one first.
The bag seems small for these clothes.
Yes, I think it's small. You know why it's small? You bought me clothes. My dad bought me clothes. So, the new clothes. But they will still fit in. It's just remaining 3. So, I'll just squeeze everything in. It's just that I can't just wait to show my mom the clothes I picked for her.
I know, right?
Auntie Modella, do you think she'll be angry with you this time?
I don't think so. She's your mother.
Right. She shouldn't be angry anymore. Okay, I hope so. I'm just so happy I'm going to see her again.
Okay. So your dad will drop you off when he's back.
Okay.
Let me leave you to finish it.
I'm done already. Look now.
All right.
Let me just check the restroom to see if there's anything.
Okay.
Because I'm forgetting.
All right. Take your time.
Okay. Thank you. Daddy,
Hey, sweetheart.
you're here.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Thank you.
So let me just go and get my bag so that we'll start going.
Wait, sorry. I don't think it's possible again to take you home.
Oh.
Yes.
Why is that?
Okay, your mother called this morning and said she got an interview this morning in Lagos.
Are you serious?
So she left this morning.
But my mom called you.
Yeah, she did.
Oh my God.
And as a matter of fact, we've decided to settle our differences, and work together just for you.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome, darling.
Thank you. I'm so happy that you have settled.
Yeah.
And you said she got a job interview at Lagos.
Yeah.
Oh my God, this is so huge. At least she can get the job that she deserves.
She will get it. She will get it.
Thank you. So you know what? I'm just going to go up.
Hey, babes. Babes, you're back.
Yes, I am back.
Okay. Are you going to eat before dropping her off?
I'm not going anymore.
Really?
Yes.
Why?
Actually, my mom called my dad and told him that she's having a job interview, a big one at Lagos.
Oh.
Yes. So she'll be traveling and then later she'll come back and come here and pick me. So I will be going later.
Yep. So that means you are not going again.
Yes.
Exactly.
But for now, even my dad said that both of them have settled their differences. So that means they'll be talking, they'll be seeing each other for some time, then they'll be friends. That's what I'm trying to say.
Yes, of course they will. So let me help you go back up.
Okay.
After you.
After you, darling.
I said it. I knew it. My baby's back. Miss you. Miss you.
Hi. I haven't seen you for a while, so
What nonsense. Hi. Oh God, I thought it was my baby. I thought it was my child. Wait, she'll be back. She'll be back.
Oh, Daddy, you're back. Welcome. So how was your day today? So how's what? What is wrong, Daddy? Why are you frowning? Did you have a bad day at work? Tell me. What happened? Auntie Madela, what happened? What exactly is going on? Daddy, why are you not happy as always? Auntie Madela, what is it? Why are you crying? Why is she crying? What did you do to her? Auntie Madela, sorry. Sorry, okay? Sorry. What is it? Why is she crying?
I told you that your mom went for an interview, right?
Yes, at Lagos. Yes, I know about that. Is she back? Auntie Madela, what's going on? Why are you crying like this? Why are you crying?
She was involved in a car accident.
Daddy, please stop joking. She was what? Is my mom back? Is my mom back? She will come and pick me today, right? Or tomorrow? When? Daddy, stop now. Stop this thing. Stop. I don't know what you came back with today. Just stop it. Tell me the truth. What's happening?
She was involved in a car accident.
Which one is car accident again? I'm asking you, where's my mom? Where's my mom? What? I don't like this. Where's my mom?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry what? What?
She's dead. She died.
What did you say? My mom! Daddy, where's my mom? Where's my mom? I asked you, where's my mom? She's what? Where's my mom? Where's my mom? Daddy, give me one. I want to go home. My mom is dead. She went to Lagos. I said she went to Lagos. She did not die. My mom is not dead.
It's okay.
Please
pull yourself together.
I want to go back to my house. I want to go back.
It's okay. Hold on. Yeah. What is it?
I want to talk to you.
You want to talk to me? Where's my child? Where is my daughter?
That's why I'm here.
That's why you're here. Where is she? Where is my child?
She wanted to go for sightseeing.
Oh, you're such an irresponsible man. So you left my child there and you're here?
No.
Yet you call yourself a father?
It's not what it is.
Then what is it?
I was engrossed with something. That's why she was at the park and,
And what?
She was trying to cross the road and...
What are you saying?
A trailer hit her and she died.
Ah! What?
She died.
What? What did you just say? Ah! What?
She's dead.
What?
Beauty. Oh my goodness. Beauty. Come on, don't do this. Beauty.
How did it go?
It went well. Relax.
Oh, God.
So how is she?
She's fine. How's Beauty?
Good. She's fine too.
I actually pity for her.
Yeah, I know.
So tomorrow she'll be burying a total stranger, thinking it's her child. God, I feel bad for her.
So should we go and tell her the truth then?
No! What are you talking about?
I don't understand. Because you're basically sounding like you don't want this anymore.
I do. So, did she accept the check?
She did not.
Shit. Oh, God. At least if she had accepted the check, it would have gone a long way. Probably help her for the burial preparation. Get a good casket.
I'm sure she's going to find a way around it. Okay? But for now, can we not talk about Beauty? Thank you.
Yeah.
I saw my own child today and I could not even recognize her. Oh my God, what have I done? I shouldn't have let her go that day. I should have stood at that gate and insisted that she never left with him. Oh, I should have become a better mom. I should have taken her to the relaxation park every other week. I mean, if I had done that, that animal wouldn't have done anything crazy to my child. She wouldn't have been freaked out going anywhere with him. Oh God, what have I done? At this point, I think it's all my fault. It's all my fault. My child has fallen prey to his wickedness. It's all my fault. Oh my God.
Okay, so what's next?
I think we have to relocate to Abuja where nobody will find her.
I think I like the sound of that.
Yeah. Come on, sit here. You know I love you.
And I love you too.
And with Peggy by our side, we have a full family.
I know, right? Baby. Baby, please open the door.
Mommy, why did you leave me like this? Why did you leave me? Why? Why? Please go back to me. Please go back. I want to see you back again.
Peggy, please, if you need anything, we are here.
Hi. Excuse me, what's going on? Why is everyone coming out of there?
The lady that lives upstairs lost her daughter yesterday. It's really so painful.
What? Peggy.
Hey, baby. Baby. Are you okay?
Oh. I can't take this. Oh.
Hey. I heard about Peggy.
Oh.
I'm so sorry. Okay. Beauty, I'm sorry. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm so sorry. It's okay. It's okay.
Just tell me it's not true. My child is not dead. Okay. My child cannot be dead. My only happiness cannot be gone. Just tell me it's not true.
Beauty, I am sorry, okay? It's okay. You'll be fine. It's okay. It's okay.
Babe, I am really scared. I am. Peggy hasn't eaten anything. She hasn't even left her room. I'm not even sure if she has had her bath since then. Babe, I don't want this girl to starve to death, please.
So, what do we do?
I don't know. At this point, I don't know. Baby.
Daddy, take me home.
Home?
I want to go home. Daddy, please take me home.
Peggy.
Take me home. I want to go to my mom.
Peggy, please.
I want to go to my mommy. Please take me.
There is no one there.
I want to go to my mommy.
Peggy.
Please. Please help me and call my mom. They want to go back to me, please.
Your mother is dead.
Peggy.
Please, where did she go? Where did she go? Please, I want to go to my mommy, please.
Peggy, it's okay. It's okay.
Please. Daddy, please help me. Help me and beg her. Tell her to come back, please. Help me and look for her. She's not dead. She's somewhere. She's somewhere. In Lagos. She's somewhere. She's not dead.
Please, it's okay, baby. It's okay.
Hey. I got you food.
I'm not hungry.
Beauty, you need to eat.
And I said I am not hungry. By the way, what are you doing here?
Look, Beauty, I am only looking out for you, okay?
Just get out.
Beauty, please. You need to eat.
Get out of my house.
Come on, Beauty, please.
Get out of my house! I don't want to eat. Go!
I'm sure Peggy wouldn't want me to leave you like this.
Do you know what she would say? My mother is my father. Tears flooded my eyes the very day I heard her say that. My 5-year-old child. Although they were tears of joy, but I was happy. I was happy deep inside of me. It made me to realize that she was for me. That whatever happens, that my daughter will always be by my side. The father really dealt with me. Victor really dealt with me that I was so pained. I never told my daughter about him. I never wanted her to know about him. I told her that her father was dead. Because he never wanted her. He wanted her aborted. The way this whole thing is going now, it's like I've lost everything. I did not even discuss anything with my child. The only thing I told my daughter was to choose between Victor and myself. That was it. That was just it.
Look, I do not know what happened between you and Peggy's father. But if there's one thing I do know, is that wherever Peggy is, she'll choose you over anybody a million times. I am sure of that.
Still like a dream to me.
It's okay, look. I'm happy to see you smiling and talking about her. You can always talk to me about Peggy, and I would always listen to you, okay?
Oh, honestly, it is well. Thank you, Andy. Thank you for staying back.
It's okay. It's nothing. It's getting late now. I'll have to leave.
You wanna go?
Yeah.
Please, I don't know. Can you stay for the night? I don't wanna be alone. Please.
Sure. I'm here. It's okay. I'm here for you. It's okay. It's okay.
Daddy.
My daughter. How are you feeling? Sorry.
What happened? What happened to me?
You passed out for 2 days.
2 days?
Yeah. And the doctor said that it's because you were not eating for 2 days. You were not sleeping.
What about my mom? When are you doing the burial?
She has been buried.
What? I didn't even get to see her or tell her goodbye before she was buried.
Yeah, I'm sorry. You know, it's an abomination for a child who is not up to 18 years to be present at her parents' burial.
Abomination?
Yes, but see...
That doesn't make sense at all.
Yeah.
I've never heard of that before.
Look, I know it's an unfortunate thing that befell every one of us. Okay, but trust me, you are not alone. My wife and I, we are going to take care of you. We will do everything for you. That is why we have decided to relocate to Abuja. Yes.
Abuja?
Yes. Look, you know, when you change an environment, it will help you to ease your pain. Okay? Is that okay by you?
Yeah.
Look, this decision was made because of you.
Okay, Dad. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You are going to be fine. Trust me.
Okay.
You'll be fine.
Thank you, Dad.
Sorry. Sorry.
I was thinking, please don't take this the wrong way, but I was thinking maybe you should move in with me. I mean, a change of environment will be good for you, and that way I can take care of you properly.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That would help. Thank you.
You know, I'm really happy you finally agreed to join us to Abuja. Trust me, you'll be glad you did.
Okay, Mom. Auntie Modella.
Yes, my love.
Can I ask for a favor? Just one.
Anything for you, baby.
I want to see my mom's grave before we leave for Abuja. It's just, I just want to say my last goodbye. You know, I didn't get to see her on her burial, so I just want to see her grave. Please.
Bro.
Brotherly.
It's so good to see you, man.
Same here, bro. Same here.
Anyway, bro.
What's good?
I have good news for you.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Good. I have good news for you too.
Oh, okay. So, ladies first.
Who's the lady? Bless you, don't be Chris. Anyway. Mother and I, we are relocating to Abuja.
Oh.
Yeah.
But why? I mean, you are doing so well here.
Yeah, but change of environment, just to ease up our pain, it will really help us,
Oh, but bro, this your change of environment matter. Now how I take miss you be this so. My only guy.
You want miss who? Anyway, I'm gonna miss you too, bro. I'll miss you too. So what's up? What's good?
Yes. You know the lady I've been telling you about?
The one you've been dying for?
Exactly.
Okay.
She's in my house, right here, right now.
In your house?
Mm-hmm.
Are you serious?
Yes, but
okay.
She lost her child.
Oh.
I know.
That's sad. That's a pity.
I know. So sad.
Are you serious?
So sad.
Wow.
Victor.
Beauty.
You two know each other? Wait, bro, Victor.
I'll see you later.
What exactly happened between the both of you?
We were friends in the university. I met him in school and he asked me out, said he loved me so much and all of that. And he was willing to stay with me. So we started dating. One thing led to each other. I got pregnant. And then I went back to tell him I was pregnant. He said it was about getting married, that I should abort it.
What?
Yes, but I couldn't abort the baby. I was so pained. I didn't even know what to do. I was confused. I had to return home and told my parents about it. They frowned at it so much that I got pregnant out of wedlock, and they were elders in the church. So they were so mad at me and they disowned me. Asked me to leave the house. So I left the house and went to a fellowship family house where I was managing as of then. When they also realized I was pregnant, they asked me to leave. I was so frustrated. I didn't even have any other place to go. I had to go back to Victor, even though he chased me out. But on getting to his house, he already packed out. That was the beginning of my problems. I was hovering about. I slept in the streets. I started doing menial jobs and it was a terrible situation for me. It's something I don't like to remember. I hustled, basically. I hustled to see myself, come out of that problem. He put me in such a terrible situation. He is the father of my baby.
Beauty, I am so sorry. I had absolutely no idea that Victor was capable of something like that.
He's not a good person.
I know. I see that now. And you say Peggy was with him when he got into the accident?
Yes. Peggy was with him. He just came and took away my child. And now my baby is nowhere to be seen. He's telling me.
Victor, we have a problem. What is the problem?
You won't believe what happened today.
What is it?
You know that girl I told you that Andy likes? Do you remember?
Okay.
That girl is Beauty.
What?
And currently she's in his house.
Okay. Does Andy know about any of this?
Of course not. He wouldn't have believed me or supported me.
Okay. So there's no need to panic. Just calm down. He knows nothing, so there's nothing to be afraid of. Okay?
Right?
Yes.
So that means we have to leave as soon as possible.
That's the problem.
What?
She's asking me to take her to her mother's grave.
What?
Yes.
And what did you tell her?
Nothing.
Good. Look, we tell her that the mother was buried at the village. Okay? That it's not right to take her there now. Maybe in the future.
Are you sure she'll buy that?
Yes. You know, she believed that it's an abomination for a child to be there when the parents are buried. So she will believe this right now.
You both lied to me.
Baby.
So you lied to me. My mother's not really dead. You told me that my mom is dead. And you also lied to my mom. You told her that I'm dead.
My darling, please. Whatever you heard is not true.
Why did you say that? Why did you do this? Why?
Baby.
I trusted you for goodness sake. I even left her. I left her and I followed you, yet you lied to me.
No. It's not true.
I should have listened to her then. I should have listened to her because after all, she was right.
My daughter.
Don't you ever call me that? How could you? How could you be like this? I cried for days, I stabbed myself for days, I even blamed myself for killing my mother, yet you kept on lying to me over and over again.
I'm sorry.
The both of you are so heartless. No. And you know what? I will leave this house today, right here, right now. I won't come back.
No, Peggy.
Peggy!
So what do we do now?
Can you stop limiting?
Stop thinking to do something. Excuse me. Don't even touch me. Don't touch me. Don't you touch me.
Baby.
You, get into the room. Take everything, every single thing that you've ever bought for me is on the bed. So take it, eat it, trash it, do whatever you want with it. I'm going home. Leave me alone.
Can we talk?
Don't you ever call me your daughter. Don't you ever. Who's your daughter?
Well, I am not letting you go to her. Never.
Mean that is already there. I am already there. I will never be with you.
Can't you see I'm doing everything for you?
You're doing everything.
I'm giving you the life that you deserve. I want to go back to what to suffer.
Yes! Yes! If you take me to drink garri every day, to eat palm kernel, I will do that. Not to dine and wine with demons like you.
Well, I am not letting you do that. Not now that I want to give you the whole world.
The whole world? You see that whole world? Hold it to yourself. Keep it to yourself. I don't want the whole world. I don't want the whole world. I don't want any whole world. You want to take me back to my mom. You wicked man. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Everything I'm doing is for you, and I know one day you will live to appreciate it.
I will not appreciate anything. Leave me alone. Give me that key.
We are leaving for Abuja first thing tomorrow morning.
You are who? You're leaving for Abuja with who? I am not going anywhere with you. I am going to meet my mother. I am going to meet my mother. I said, give me that key. Give me the key. I want to go to my mother's house. I want to go to my mother's. Don't let me try.
Baby, please.
What do you want to say? Baby. Who's your baby? You that cannot even get a child, you're calling me baby. Don't worry. I'm going to look for a spare key. Leave me alone.
Come back here. I am not letting you go. Come back here. I just gotta go now. And it's at the gate. And it's at the gate. Stay here.
Oh, you hate it, right? You hate the spare key. You hid the spare key to this house. You hid the spare key to this particular door. And that man went left through this door, right? Help me!
Peggy,
help me! See, don't call my name again. If you dare call my name or call me baby, I will show you who I am today.
Okay.
Help me!
Wait.
Somebody help us! Leave me alone! Listen! I tell you not to call my name.
Listen. Okay.
You hid the. Where's the key to this door?
Okay, hold on.
Where is the key to this door?
Hold on.
I'm holding on. I'm holding on. Talk.
Okay. I know what we did was wrong.
You know.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
But I promise you, it is for your own good.
It's for me.
Yes.
Look at you. Is this for me? You blatant liar. It is for me. Let me tell you, you and I know that everything you're doing today, everything you did, is for yourself. Because you cannot produce. You are not fertile. So you want a child. Make it stop! I would say it. Don't want to know again. Is it true? Stop! Leave me alone. Don't let me hurt you. Peggy, stop. Peggy, stop. Somebody help me! Stop! Peggy, stop! I am begging. I will hurt you. Stop. If you hurt me, I will hurt you. See, open that door. Peggy. Open that door. I said, leave me alone. Peggy. Leave me alone. Stop. Leave me alone. Peggy, stop. Leave me alone. I will kill somebody. Peggy, stop. What is wrong with you? Stop. Stop. Leave me alone. Leave me. Ow. Leave me alone.
What is wrong with you?
Let me get her bag.
Please.
Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Get man, whoever is in this house, just help me! What is it? What you want me to tell me?
I am your father. I can never hurt you. I am doing everything for you. Please, don't make it harder than it is already.
No! Somebody help me! Save me from this demon! Save me from this man!
Listen to me, listen.
Leave me!
You see this place, this house, it's soundproof. Nobody will hear you. So keep quiet.
I said help me! I don't care if you soundproof! Somebody should just help me!
I hope everything is intact.
Yes.
Give me my bag! Give me my bag! Help me!
Please, stay with her. Let me go and open the gate for Andy.
OKONKWO, help me! Help me! Somebody help me! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! I told you don't touch me!
Okay, listen. I will let you out of here once Andy leaves.
Oh, once Andy leaves. You know you're hiding something. You know you're wrong. You know there's something wrong with what you're doing, but you... Somebody help me!
Yeah, bro.
Your gate man wasted so much time opening the gate.
I am very sorry, my guy. You know how crazy these guys can be.
Excuse me. My shoes.
What's wrong with your shoe?
It's okay, just a little discomfort.
All right, are you okay?
Yeah, fixed it.
Okay. So, what's up?
Yeah, so the way you left earlier, we were unable to talk.
Yeah, I'm sorry. You know, I was in shock. Who could have thought that the girl had been telling me about his beauty?
I know, right?
Yeah.
She told me everything that happened between you two, so I came to hear your side of the story.
It's the truth. Whatever she said to you, I admit everything is the truth. Yeah.
How could you do that to her, Victor?
What are you saying? Modella and I were getting married. Beauty was just a fling. You know how beautiful she is. So I told her one or two things, the things she wanted to hear, for me to take my own share. I didn't know she was pregnant. I didn't know.
And that's why you ghosted her?
What are you saying? I was already getting married to Modella. I wanted to ruin my marriage.
And you kept all these things away from me.
Like you tell me yours? I know there's some certain things in your heart there that you don't tell me.
Oh, you also neglected to tell me that your child died while visiting you.
Because I didn't tell you about her, so it wasn't necessary.
To tell me that she died? Are you listening to yourself, Victor? You know in your heart that if that child really died, you would have told me. Besides, you haven't even been behaving like a man that lost a child. We literally went out drinking on the day your child supposedly died. How do you explain that?
What are you saying?
Victor, did that child really die?
What kind of stupid question are you asking me? Huh? Look, did she not tell you that she buried her child herself?
Oh, I see. She buried a body with an unrecognizable face.
It was an accident. Peggy is dead. But I am so disappointed at you. Who are you? I thought you were my friend.
Look, I am your friend, and that is why I am here to advise you to return that child to her mother.
Get out of my house.
Victor.
Get out of my house!
Victor, I am advising you return this child to her mother.
Get out! Get out! Modola! Modola!
Yes?
Come quickly when I call you. Come quickly!
What is it?
Plans have changed. We are leaving for Abuja now.
Now?
Yes! Then from there we can process our papers to leave this country forever.
How? But how do we do that?
Ask me questions.
How? How are we supposed to carry her?
We can see that how do something. Please go and pack. We do not have time. Go now! Move, my friend. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Lock the door, lock the door.
Officer, that's them.
I'm Inspector Mike from the state CID.
What's going on here?
You're under arrest for the kidnap of Miss Peggy.
What are you saying? My friend, she's my daughter.
Collect the baby.
Officer,
Move, officer, let's go.
Officer, arrest this man.
Move it. Move it.
Move it.
Move it.
Oga, move it. Oga, move it.
Officer, move them.
Move.
Move. Out. Are you okay? Andy! I say move it.
Honestly, I still cannot believe that my daughter is alive.
Of course she is.
Thank God and thank you for everything you've done so far.
It's okay. I mean, I'm glad I was able to help.
Mommy, they said you were dead.
They said you were dead too.
I'm alive, Mom.
We're alive.
I'm really sorry for everything. I'm really sorry that everything happened this way. I'm sorry.
Sorry too, my baby.
No.
Forgive me.
No, I should be the one saying sorry. I shouldn't have believed that man. I shouldn't have left this house. I shouldn't have complained about a lot of things. The food, the environment. I should have just been contented with everything I had, Mom. I'm really, really sorry.
It's okay, my child. You're just a child. Oh, you're bound to make mistakes. I'm also very sorry for everything.
You're the best mother in the whole world. You're the best mom. As long as I have you, Mom, I have everything that I've ever needed. Thank you so much, Mom, for always being there. Thank you. I love you so much. I was just lost. I didn't know that.
It's okay, my child. Your words alone is food to my soul. It's okay. Nothing will ever come between us again. Okay? Andy, I want to use this medium to thank you. I want to appreciate you for every single thing you've done for my daughter and I. God will reward you.
You're welcome.
I want to know, how did you know that I was still alive even after he came and told you that I was dead?
Well, when I found out that Victor was your father, I mean, it was a bit weird to me because we basically went out drinking that day and I started to wonder, I mean, how can a man whose daughter was supposed to be in an accident be out drinking and, so happy? So I decided to go to his house and...
You got it right.
Yes. Gate man wasted so much time opening the gate.
I am very sorry, my guy. You know how crazy these guys can be.
Excuse me. My shoes.
What's wrong with your shoe?
It's okay, just a little discomfort. I mean, the information was that you had died some weeks ago, but I mean, there was no way that paper was going to have been there for weeks. Which is how I knew that you left it for me to find.
Yes. You see, Victor has always had a dark heart and he's never changed. He never changed.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Uncle Andy.
You're welcome.
It's okay, my baby. Please don't cry again. Don't cry no more, please. Just know that mommy loves you.
I love you too.
I'll be here for you anytime, any day. Okay.